I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. What can I do about a third grader who refuses to participate in whole class lessons? The first thing you want to do is define participate. Some kids are just really super uncomfortable with whole class interaction. They don't have the confidence. They're worried they're going to get it wrong. Getting to kind of the underlying factor around the refusal is the first thing I like to do. So what's the skill that you might lack? And because two things I want is I want to build your skill, and I also want to help you be more confident in yourself. So I'm going to start out with just maybe working in pairs or maybe working alone. Working alone is absolutely fine if kids are not okay with the whole group. But as you want them to know how to work in a whole group, you might have to just break it down. So take some of the stress levels off, and instead of expecting a whole group participation, you got a kiddo who's not comfortable with that, work in pairs first, work alone, go back and forth until you start to see them actually kind of ease into it. And that's really participation. So be careful that you're not defining participation as everybody having to be doing the same thing in a whole group. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.